I want to show you my solution for a problem that I think a lot of people have with pinballs, and that's especially ones of a certain age that have art plastics. I had a situation where several of my plastic pieces were cracked. You can see this one is cracked here. The other side was fine. So what I did was, first I took all the art off the pinball machine, or all the plastics, and I scanned them in on a flatbed scanner. And then I wanted to have a couple of different options. So I took the piece that was good on the other side, and I just reversed it, and then printed it out, cut it out, and then laminated it, just with a laminating machine. Real simple. So you can see here, there's the reverse, which is actually blue instead of green. And I wanted to see kind of how does that look compared to taking the actual one that was cracked and scanning in it, also printing it out, trying to fix the art a little bit where the crack was with some markers, laminated it also, and kind of seeing how it looked is what I liked the best. I'm going to show you on the pinball machine itself with the pieces that I did, and you'll see I think they look pretty good. And I may take some of my other machines and scan in the plastics just so that I have a record of them in case anybody else needs them or something like that. But this is kind of a real simple solution. Scan, fix, or recreate, print out, cut out, laminate, and then of course cut, around. You'll see when I show you, just cut around the plastic so that the laminate has room to stay, stuck together, because it won't actually bond where the art is. So, but you can see something about like this, maybe a little bit more than what's on the actual plastic. So let's look at the pinball machine itself. Okay, here's an example of one that was cracked really bad in multiple places. And I scanned it, kind of tried to fix up the bad spots as much as possible. You can still kind of see them, but they're not necessarily obvious. And then printed that out as, on paper, and then cut it out and laminated it. So I think it looks fairly acceptable, especially when it's under glass and when you're back from the playing position. As you'll see here, from the perspective of the player, it's actually fairly difficult to determine which pieces have been replaced and which have not. In this particular frame, there are 3 pieces that I've replaced and 3 pieces that are original. I'm sure if you really focus and look, you can tell what's what, but from the perspective of a player or anybody that's kind of casually looking at this, they're not going to notice which pieces are the replacements and which are the original.